Hey everyone, welcome back to English Podcast with Zico.
And Sarah, we're so happy you're here with us today.
If you want to improve your English without stress or boring lessons,
You're in exactly the right place.
in this episode, we've got something super practical for your everyday English.
So put on your headphones, relax.
And let's get started. This episode is part of our self-improvement series, where you improve your English while improving your life.
So today we've got a really interesting topic. It's something I think everyone can get something out of.
Definitely. We're talking about 10 self-improvement tips that will hopefully improve your life.
No pressure, right? But seriously, these are some solid actionable things, not like climb Mount Everest.
Exactly. Real stuff you can start doing, well, today. So are you ready to jump in?
Let's do it.
Okay, so number 1 on our list is reading. Specifically, read every single day.
Oh, a classic. But it's a classic for a reason, right?
Totally. It doesn't have to be like a whole novel. It could be an article, a chapter of a book, even just a few pages. The idea is just consistency.
Right. And it's not just about learning new things. It's like a workout for your brain. It expands your vocabulary, improves focus, and it's a great way to unwind. I mean, instead of scrolling on your phone before bed.
That's the big one for me. Putting the phone away and picking up a book. It's hard, but it makes a huge difference. And it doesn't just have to be nonfiction or self-help books. Reading fiction is incredibly powerful too. It builds empathy by letting you see the world through someone else's eyes.
Okay, so moving on to tip number 2, and this one is a bit close to home for our podcast, learn a new language. That's a great point. It's like a mini vacation for your mind, escapism, but in a productive way.
You know we had to put that one in.
Of course, but it's true. Learning a language, it literally rewires your brain. It improves your memory, your problem-solving skills.
And your ability to connect with people from different cultures. I mean, that's a huge part of why we do this podcast. It opens up the world.
Exactly. It doesn't mean you have to become fluent overnight. Just, learning a few phrases, using an app for 10 minutes a day. It all counts.
All right, tip number 3 is to pick up a new hobby, something that isn't related to your work.
Ooh, I love this one.
Yeah, it's about having something that's just for you, for fun. I tried learning the guitar last year. I was terrible, absolutely terrible.
Were you really?
Awful, but it was fun. It was just this thing I did where I didn't have to be good at it, you know? It's about the process, not the result.
That's such a good point. It could be anything. Painting, hiking, coding, baking, anything that gets you into that flow state. Okay, number 4 is a bit more internal. It's about practicing gratitude.
Right, the gratitude journal thing.
Yeah, exactly. Or just, taking a moment each day to think of 3 things you're grateful for. It sounds kind of cheesy, I know.
It does a little, yeah.
But the science behind it is solid. It genuinely shifts your perspective from what you lack to what you have. It can reduce stress and just make you happier.
No, I get it. Even if it's something small, like I'm grateful for this really good cup of coffee I'm having right now.
Totally, that's perfect.
All right, number 5, we have to say it. Get regular exercise.
The one everyone knows they should do.
Yep, but we're not saying you have to become a marathon runner. It's just about moving your body.
Right, it's not about punishment, it's about celebrating what your body can do. Go for a walk, dance around your living room, do some stretching. The mental health benefits are, they're just as huge as the physical ones.
Oh, for sure. Endorphins are real, people.
Okay, tip 6 is set clear goals. And I don't mean vague things like be healthier.
Yeah, like what does that even mean?
Exactly. It's about being specific, like I will walk for 30 minutes 3 times a week, or I will read 10 pages of a book every night. It gives you something concrete to work towards.
It gives you a roadmap. Otherwise, you're just sort of drifting and you can't really track your progress. Small wins, right? They build momentum. Number 7, meditate or practice mindfulness. Now, I'll be honest, I find this one really hard. My brain just does not want to shut up.
I think that's everyone's experience at first. That's kind of the point.
Really?
Yeah, meditation isn't about having an empty mind. It's about noticing when your mind has wandered and then gently bringing it back. It's a practice, and you don't have to sit for an hour. Just try 1 minute, seriously. Just focus on your breath for 60 seconds.
1 minute. Okay, maybe I can handle 1 minute.
Okay, number 8 is maybe the simplest one on the entire list.
Let me guess. Drink more water?
You got it. Drink more water. So many of us are just mildly dehydrated all day long, and we don't even realize it. It affects your energy, your focus, your skin, everything.
It's true. Sometimes when I feel tired or have a headache, I realize I've just not had any water, just coffee.
The classic coffee trap. Yeah, just keeping a water bottle on your desk can make a huge difference.
Okay, we're almost there. Number 9 is to disconnect. Specifically, take regular breaks from social media.
Oh, this is a big one, a really big one.
It is. The constant comparison, the noise, it can really mess with your mental health. Scheduling time away from it, like no phone for the first hour of the day, can be incredibly freeing.
That comparison is the thief of joy quote is so true, especially with social media. A digital detox, even just for a weekend, can feel like a total reset. And that brings us to our final tip, number 10, and maybe the most important, get enough sleep.
Yes, the foundation for everything else.
It really is. You can have all the best intentions, but if you're sleep deprived, you won't have the energy or the mental clarity to do any of this other stuff. It affects your mood, your decisions, your health.
Everything. It's not a luxury, it's a biological necessity. It's like you wouldn't try to drive your car without gas, don't try to run your life without sleep.
What a perfect analogy.
So there you have it, 10 tips for self-improvement. Read, learn a language, get a hobby, practice gratitude.
Exercise, set goals, meditate, drink water, disconnect, and sleep.
Whew, it sounds like a lot when you list them all out.
It does, but you don't have to do them all at once. Just pick just one thing to focus on for a while.
That's great advice. So what do you all think? Do you have any self-improvement tips that have worked for you? Let us know.
We'd love to hear them.
As always, thank you so much for listening to English Podcast with Zico. Click the playlist and let's continue this journey together.
We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, everyone.